namin.
When I first entered this boarding house, it feels like I'm just in our home. I treat everyone here as my brother and sister, and they treated me same as I treated them. So,
Good case? Same.
uh, Miss Josa Marie is one of my companions here, and for almost, I think 11 months, she had shown me how nice she is,
Thank
and
you so much. Thank you.
I'm so thankful that once in my life I've met him, and oh, she's flattered. I'm sobbing because it's a very dramatic life here in Cebu.
And I'm good. I'm still very thankful that you had a board. I'm very thankful that meron ka din. Butan niyo ka.
And for MM, my kababayan, I hope you will be a Masbateño forever. Because as what I've seen for a day, for almost a month, you're always speaking Cebuano and Tagalog, and I think you forgot your language, your original language. So please speak Masbateño always.
And now let's proceed to our discussion about personality and socialization.